Ever wondered how so many amazing online stores seem to pop up out of nowhere, looking polished and professional? Today, we're diving into the world of Shopify, a platform that's making entrepreneurship more accessible than ever. So, what exactly is Shopify? Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for building and running your very own online business. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. Whether you're dreaming of selling handmade crafts, unique fashion pieces, or even digital products, Shopify provides the foundation to bring your vision to life. One of the absolute highlights of Shopify is its sheer ease of use. From setting up your store's look and feel with customizable themes to adding your products and managing inventory, the platform guides you through every step. This accessibility is a game changer, empowering individuals and small businesses to compete on a global scale without needing a massive budget or a dedicated IT department. Beyond the basics, Shopify offers a suite of powerful features that help your business thrive. You get secure payment processing, so your customers can shop with confidence. There are tools for managing orders and shipping, streamlining the entire fulfillment process. Plus, robust analytics give you insights into what's working, helping you make smarter decisions for growth. Let's talk about some using tips to really make your Shopify store shine. First, invest a little time in high-quality product photos and descriptions. These are your virtual salespeople, so make them compelling. Secondly, explore the Shopify App Store. It's packed with extensions that can add everything from advanced marketing tools to customer loyalty programs, all designed to enhance your store's functionality. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what best suits your unique business needs. What's truly exciting is how Shopify is constantly evolving. They're always introducing new features and improvements to help merchants stay ahead. From enhanced SEO capabilities to new marketing integrations, Shopify is committed to providing the tools you need to succeed in the ever-changing digital landscape. It's a platform built for professionals, offering the scalability and reliability that growing businesses demand. In essence, Shopify democratizes e-commerce. It removes many of the traditional barriers to entry, allowing passion and innovation to take center stage. It's about empowering you to build something meaningful and connect with customers around the world. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the world of Shopify. I hope this has sparked some ideas for your own entrepreneurial journey. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more tech insights.